Good morning. The time on my watch now is 5:30 a.m. April 8, 2022, Friday. I am shooting this short video as a mini review of my Bosca solar lights after about 1 year of using them. I have four 25 watt and one 40 watt solar lights. I did not buy them at the same time, of course, but the longest running in service is 15 months, while the youngest is 5 months in service, and all of them are still working well. These lights automatically turned on yesterday at around 6:30 in the evening, so they have been going on for 11 hours straight now. Depending on the season, they can stay on for about 10 to 12 hours. If the night is long, around 12 hours. For short nights, about 9 to 10 hours, and about 11 hours in between. What are the good things I can say about these lights? Well, so far they have been reliable. Not a single one has stopped working. On full automatic, they have stamina, lasting a good 12 hours straight on long nights. Even during the rainy season, they provided me with light. They effectively harvest sunlight, even on overcast days, and so far, they held their charge quite well. I think they are worth the price I paid for them. Sometimes they even sell a 25 watt Bosca lamp for 675 pesos during a sale. Now, what are the not so good things I can say about them? Well, for one thing, their mounting screw and bolt gets rusted when exposed to the elements. I counter this by covering those parts with paint. Another thing is that in the first 2 hours or so, the light is most bright, but after that time, it settles down to a lower intensity of about 30% for the rest of the night. I was a little surprised when I observed this, and I even made a video about it. I also understand it may bother some users, but I don't really mind it since I use them for environmental illumination and not for reading or detailed work. So far they have been great, and I hope they last for another year. Thank you for watching.